Hello friend, welcome back. In a previous video, I already discussed about that things with you. How can display your all that category name. So that is actually the national category, and there is another category as a golf category, another category as a cricket category. So how can add your all that category on particular that position? I already discussed about that things with you. And also here I just put some of the URL. Like if you put your cursor on particular that position, now here you can see it's now showing as a category slash with the ID. For the cricket category is actually the number 5 ID, and if you put your cursor on that category, so that is actually the category 6. Also I just added the same URL in our menu for that all category, like there is all that our category, and here you can see there is a mobile, there is a football, and also I added on in our menu as author. So for the author, I created one of the URL as a author slash the 5 ID, and there is a author the 6 ID. So in this video, I want to show you, like if you click on that mobile category, all that mobile category related post will be visible in our another page, that means in our listing page. So this page is designed for the category page. So all that category news will be visible on here, that means in our listing page with like that way. So here, first of all, that is actually one of the post will be visible and like that way, and also rest of this post will be visible like that template way. Okay, so how can do that work? I will show you. Also here they have some of the pagination, like here you can see they have some of the pagination. So how can create the pagination, like after that particular limit, then it should be redirected to the another page. So how can add that pagination, I will show you. So step by step, I will cover each and everything in our that is our category listing page. So first of all, here I want to do, so in our listing page here you can see they have some of the right sidebars, that is a popular news. So all that actually now is static on particular that page. So we already update it in our home page. Like if you go to the home page here, you can see I just make the things dynamic. All that most viewed news will be visible on here, and also all that most commented news will be visible on particular that position. So first of all, I want to actually copy all things that is the right sidebar. Okay, I just copy all things right sidebar, and I just want to add the things in our listing page. That is actually our listing page. So for doing this, first of all, we have to go to our home page. So now if you go to our home page, so that is our home, and in our home blade, first of all, I want to actually copy. That is the end, and here if you go to that position, so that is the category name, and I want to actually find out most viewed. You can see that is actually the most viewed. So here I just want to copy whole things from here, so that is our right sidebar, and from to these positions, like here there is a call widgets. Okay, and there is another one, that is all that advertisements. So here I just minimize it, and there is a most comments, so I also want to take this, and that is our editor corner. So that is actually all that static data, like here you can see there is actually editor corner and the reader corner. So you can delete it, but right now I just copy all the things from here. So this one, there is concern, there is widgets. Okay, so that's our widgets, and after that there is our video section. So video section is means after that there is actually the video section. Right now I want to do before this. Okay, so before this video section, I just better copy it. I just copy whole things from here, and that is the call widgets. So that is the call widgets. I just copy whole things from here, and now I want to add that things in our listing page. So that is in our news and the listing. So right now I want to go to our listing page, like here you have to go to the resources, and there is a font, and in the font you can see there is actually the listing blade. So now I just open that listing blade, and here, so right now there's all the static data. Okay, so first of all I want to actually find out that popular, that means here there is a popular news, so I just want to find it. So here you can see that is actually the popular news. So that is also, that is a call for, so you can see that is actually the same thing. So for now I just minimize all the things. And before that video section, I want to add that things on here. Like here, I just minimize it. That is the widgets, and that one is the another one. So that is the reader corner advertisement, and here I just copy it. So that is the advertisement section, corner row, right side per section. So that is actually the container. That is actually the container, and on particular that position, that means here. Okay. So now I want to do that is the corner row advertisement. So that is the corner row. So for now, better I just copy it. I just copy whole things from here. I just copy it from here to our call for. So that is our call for we get, and I just add the things from here. There is a day, there is a corner. So I also want to take the things from to these positions, like there is actually the corner div, and from here I want to take the things with this one, that is the call for. Okay, so for now, first of all, I just remove it, and here I paste it. So now if you click on the save all, and now if you refresh that page, like there is a listing page, so now click on the refresh. Yes, now you see all that our site navigation is now updated. So now there is our most viewed is visible. So that is totally dynamic, and also is showing the most commented. Okay, so it's now perfectly updated our right sidebar. So I also want to do another things, like here you can see they have some of the demo data, all the static data, like there is actually the template is a one. So I only need that template, like there is a one, and then there is a two other rest of the news. Okay. So after that, they have some advertisement, and here you can see that is all that is static data. So right now I want to do, I want to actually remove all the things from here, from all listing page. So if you want to do that work, then you have to go to your listing page, and in our listing page here you can see that is actually our first post. Okay, so that's actually our first post. That means this one. So here that means this one. Okay, and after that they have the two. So I only take two of these news. So that is actually one, and after that that is actually the row, and into this row here you can see that is actually the call 6. So that is actually the row, and there is a one call 6, and then another call 6. So I only take two of these. Okay, so better I just put the things as a row. Okay, so that is the row, I only need that, and that is actually we get for the advertisement, and this advertisement actually visible after that, like there is actually the advertisement. Okay, and after that I want to delete all the things from here. So that is another row, you can see that is another row. So I just minimize it, I just minimize that row again, and there is the another row, I just select it, and there is another row, and that is the another one, and that is the pagination. So I also don't need that pagination. So before the pagination, from here I just select. Okay, I just select all, and here that is the row, and before I just take only one row. Okay, after that I just define it before the pagination. Okay, perfect. So now I just remove all the things from here. I only take one row, and into the position, if you now click on the save all, and if you now refresh that page, and now yes, now you can see they have only three news, like that is a one, and then that is our another one. So that is a call 6, and also that is a call 6. So now I want to do, I want to make the things dynamic, and also I just put some of the limitations. After the 3, automatically our designation will be visible on here. So here I have to do that work. So next video I will continue this process, and I will show you how can show you all that categorized news on particular that page, that means the listing page. I will show you that things with the live example. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.